waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
How about you? Huh?
But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down, embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound.
Still scared of the waves, I'm guessing. What can you do? Oh! Come on! Scout, come on!
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us.
There she goes.
In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down, embrace the love we found. For you and I.
Alright, I'm getting a bit hungry. I think we'll call that a wrap for this morning. Gonna go home and get some crunchy nuttos or something like that. Oh, it's a beautiful morning down here, eh? Hey, pup!